If you compare an individual with 10 years of insurance history versus somebody that only had insurance for a couple of months, can I confidently say that your insurer views these two risks in a very different light? Your behavior and relationship towards insurance is indicative to your own risk management. Some insurance companies still make use of the no claims bonus, NCB as it's generally referred to, whereas other companies make use of a combination of period and claims incurred. Both methodologies, however, gives discounted rates for individuals with long-standing relationships with the industry, and these discounts are significant, which leaves room for individuals manipulating the truth as to ascertain a more affordable monthly insurance premium. The other big issue found is when the insured had insurance for many years, but then cancelled the insurance cover for some reason or another. They then proceed to take up cover some years later, but includes the years of insurance prior to the cancellation. Most insurance companies do give some form of a grace period for interrupted cover, but it is essential for you to discuss and disclose the period of being uninsured. The rule of thumb is once your insurance cover is cancelled, will your insurance history start from zero? Another methodology used by some clients are trying to claim insurance benefits under their ex-spouse's or parents' policy. The golden rule is to always give all the information and then allow your insurer to make the decision. Unless you were noted as the regular driver of a vehicle on a policy, would most insurers not give you the benefit of previous insurance under the vehicle section. If insurance companies find that a client had misrepresented the years and/or NCB, might they have cause to void the agreement, reject the claim, and reimburse all premiums less costs incurred. Many clients misrepresent the facts, believing that once confronted with a misrepresentation, can they simply pay the difference in premium and then have their claim settled. This is a common misperception. Another common misperception is that insurance companies validate your previous insurance history at sales stage. This is also not correct. Most insurers take the information you supply on face value. They do, however, reserve the right in validating the information supplied at claim stage. Can you imagine the administrative burden placed on an insurer to phone around on each quote issued to ensure the correct previous insurance history was supplied? Insurers will have to appoint an entire department doing so, which will only find its way back to the premium pool, which you and I will pay for. Depending on the prejudice amount, can an insurance company reject the entire claim? Let me try and explain the rationale behind this. If the practice of merely charging backdated premiums become the norm, what would the message be that we are sending? Supply your insurance company with wrong information, and if something happens, are we willing to pay the backdated premium? This is anti-selection in its purest form and would lead to loss ratios of insurers increasing, which would lead to increased premiums to the entire client pool. Honest clients once again paying the premium for dishonest behavior. Why? Because only about 5% of clients claim in any given month, which means that this will result in the insurance company losing out on collecting the appropriate premium on the appropriate risk for the additional 95% of clients. Misrepresenting your insurance history is a serious offense which can have dire consequences to your financial future. Give true and complete information. If you don't like the premium, shop around or understand what about your risk profile is cause for a higher insurance premium, and then actively manage and improve your risk. Taking the easy way out in misrepresenting information might lead to short-term gains, but we can assure you it will cost you dearly in the long term.